Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to create barcode. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to create barcodes. So guys, to create barcode we are going to use online website. So let's get started. So to create barcode, you have to simply open your Chrome browser and type in search bar this barcode.tech.it.com and press enter. So guys, this is the website from where you can create barcodes. So guys, here you can see linear codes, GS1 data bar, EAN and UPC, 2D codes, GS1 2D barcodes, banking and payments, mobile tagging, healthcare codes, ISBN codes, business cards, events barcode and Wi-Fi barcode. We are going to create simple barcode. So simply click on linear codes and select here any code which you want. So I am going to select this. Now here you can add the data, means barcode number. So after entering here data, here you can see the option of settings. So from here you can set the settings such as module width unit, module width, image resolution, image format or image rotation. And here you can see the option of colors. So from here you can select the color. So here I'm going to select this and background color. So here you can see a barcode. So this is not looking good, so I'm going to change the colors. Now I'm going to set this as black. So now it's looking good. So after that you can see the option of create sequence. Click on it. So from here you can set more settings such as prefix, suffix, start value, end value, increment, mask. So you can set this by your own how much you want. After setting you can see the option of download. So click on download. Now open the barcode that we have downloaded. So here you can see our barcode. So guys, here you can see we have created the barcode. So you can also create the barcode by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.